Are you tired of your lightened skin getting dark over time? I've got the best products and tips that will help you maintain a bright, lighter, glowing skin tone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, in my previous videos, we've talked about how to safely lighten your skin using body soaps, body lotion, body washes, body oils. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to maintain your lightened skin tone. I'll be giving you guys a daily skincare routine tips and product recommendations that will help you maintain that radiant, bright, glowing skin tone once you have achieved your desired complexion. So most people, once they lighten up their skin and they discontinue that particular body lotion or soap that help them to achieve that lighter skin tone, they see their skin going dark all over again. So I'm here to put you on to how you can maintain that lightened skin tone without getting darker. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe, because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. Now, I know how challenging it can be to maintain your lightened skin tone once you have achieved your desired complexion, because if you don't, your skin might actually get darker or get thinned out in the process. So you want to be able to manage that situation at all times and maintain that beautiful glowing skin that you have already achieved. You don't want your skin looking fair today and looking dark tomorrow, and that will have people asking you, hey, are you okay? Is something wrong with you? And all of that. So in order for you to be able to avoid that kind of nonsense situation, you want to be able to maintain your lightened skin tone without getting darker or being at risk of having your skin thinned out. I've taken my time to build you guys a step-by-step daily skincare routine that will help you maintain your lightened skin tone. So the first product you're going to need in your skincare routine, if you really want to maintain that your already lightened complexion, is our sunscreen. And one sunscreen I recommend you use is this Biore UV Watery Essence sunscreen. Guys, this is one of the best sunscreens to use if you're looking to protect your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. A lot of you seem to forget that sunscreen is the most important skincare product you need to have in your skincare routine if you want to avoid your skin from getting darker and protect your already lightened skin tone. The sun and your skin are not friends. Like, they are both cat and dogs. So you need to have a sunscreen in your skincare routine if you want to be able to protect your skin from the sun and prevent your skin from getting darker after you must have lightened your skin tone. See, you can always get any other sunscreen of your choice. It mustn't be this Biore UV Watery Essence sunscreen. You should go for sunscreens that have both UVA and UVB protection, and as well contains SPF 50 and above. Now, the next or second product you need in your daily skincare routine in order to maintain your lightened skin tone is a body scrub. Guys, after sunscreen, which is the most important item that you need, body scrub is the next important thing you need in your skincare routine if you really want to maintain your lighter, bright, glowing skin. Honestly, exfoliating your skin 2 or 3 times weekly is going to help you slough off all the dead skin cells on your skin and help you maintain that lighter, brighter, glowing, beautiful complexion. Exfoliating your skin is one of the most important things you need to be doing in your skincare routine in order to maintain your already lightened skin tone. So for you to be able to maintain that bright, radiant, glowing skin, you definitely need a body scrub in your routine. And one body scrub I love and I really recommend you use if you're looking to maintain your already lightened complexion is this Vit Gold Vitamin C Extra Whitening Super Scrub. This is the scrub right here. Guys, this is a scrub right here. This is one of the best body scrubs to use if you want to maintain your lighter glowing skin tone. This particular body scrub is going to help you slough off all the dead skin cells on your skin and give you a bright, beautiful, glowing skin at all times. Like with this, you're going to be able to get rid of all those dead skin cells that is making your skin not to glow. I really love this particular body scrub because it also works for acne, wrinkles, stretch marks, and the rest. Like after using this particular scrub to exfoliate your skin is instantly going to feel softer, smoother, brighter, and glowing. You're going to be seeing that smooth, luscious skin. So if you want to really maintain your lightened skin tone and not get darker, then get this body scrub and add in your skincare routine. You can also get any other body scrub of your choice. It mustn't be this particular Vit Code one. You can also get Cool Spa Turmeric body scrub. It's also an amazing and affordable body scrub that will also help you maintain and achieve a lighter, beautiful, glowing skin. So if you're looking to maintain your lightened skin tone, any of those body scrubs is what you should be using in your skincare routine because they contain active ingredients. This particular one contains vitamin C, which is a known and potent ingredient for brightening up your skin, while the Cool Spa Turmeric one has turmeric as its main ingredient. So using any of these body scrubs will help you maintain your lightened complexion. Now, the next or third product you need if you want to maintain your lightened skin tone is a gentle soap or body wash. Now, if you're someone that used a lightening body lotion in your routine to lighten up your skin, then a moisturizing body wash or soap is actually what you need in your skincare routine. And the reason is simple. If you use the lightening lotion to achieve your lighter skin tone, now you need a moisturizing body wash to use with your lightening body lotion to be able to work hand in hand and give you that bright, radiant, healthy, glowing skin. Like I always say, you don't need so many lightening products in your routine. If you're someone that wants your skin to look healthy and supple while having a lighter, beautiful, glowing skin, then you would definitely want to use a moisturizing body wash. And one body wash I really love and I will always recommend you use is the Dove body wash. If you cannot get this Dove Deep Moisture body wash, I would definitely advise or recommend you go for any other Dove body wash. Like I really love Dove Pampering body wash a lot. This particular Dove Pampering body wash smells amazing and is going to help moisturize your skin and nourish your skin. So pairing this together with your lightening body lotion is going to balance out your skin and help you maintain that lightened, glowing complexion. A lot of people will be asking you, hey, what are you using on your skin? That's the benefit of having moisturizing products in your routine. Now, if you're someone that used a lightening soap or lightening body wash to lighten up your skin, you will still want to maintain that lightening soap in your skincare routine or get a milder version of the soap. Like all you have to do is to maybe reduce the usage of that particular soap if it's a soap that cannot be used on a day-to-day basis. In other words, you can get a moisturizing bar soap like the Dove bar soap to be exchanging with your lightening soaps. So what you're simply going to do is on days you're not using your lightening body soap, you can go in with the moisturizing soap, or you can actually use two of them together to pre-cleanse and cleanse your skin. In order to maintain that bright, glowing skin, you will still have to use your lightening soap or lightening wash that you were using to achieve your lighter skin tone. But if you're looking to switch up that particular soap, then I would definitely recommend you go for a soap with brightening ingredients or lightening ingredients like turmeric, kojic acid, vitamin C. Like these are ingredients that will also help to brighten your skin. And one soap I recommend you use if you're trying to maintain your lightened skin tone is this QEI Paris exfoliating bar soap. This is the soap right here. This is the soap right here. This is actually one bar soap I'll recommend you use if you really want to maintain your lightened skin tone. So you can also get this Nano Extra White soap. It's an affordable option for you if you're looking to maintain your already lightened skin tone. Now, the next or fourth product you will need in your daily skincare routine to maintain your lightened skin tone is a lightening body lotion. The simple rule of thumb is if you're using a lightening lotion in your skincare routine to lighten up your skin, then you will need to pair it with a moisturizing body wash. While if you are using a lightening soap in your skincare routine, you will have to pair it with a lightening body lotion. And guys, if you're someone that uses a lightening lotion and you've achieved your desired complexion and you don't want to get lighter in any way or go darker when you stop using that particular lotion, what you simply need to do is to reduce or minimize the days of application. Like if you were using your lightening body lotion on a day-to-day basis when you were trying to lighten up your skin, now is the time for you to reduce or minimize the usage to maybe 2 times weekly and at most 3 times in a week. So in other words, you also need a moisturizing body lotion that you can be using on days that you're not using your lightening body lotion. I usually tell most of my clients that if you really want to maintain that your already lightened skin tone, there is no need for you to discontinue that particular body lotion that lightened your skin. This is where most of you miss the point. Like once you have gotten your skin tone, a lot of you just go and ditch that particular body lotion that helps you to lighten your skin. You need to always use the withdrawal method. You don't just stop a lightening body lotion instantly and expect it to still give you that lighter skin tone. It doesn't work that way. You will have to maintain it and gradually withdraw yourself from that particular cream. If you stop using the cream entirely, your skin is going to get darker, and that is the simple truth. So for you to be able to maintain that lightened glowing complexion that you have now, you will have to start using your lightening lotion maybe 2 times weekly. Gradually like that, your skin will start getting used to you using your moisturizing body lotion. So in other words, your skin is still going to look a lot lighter and brighter. So I would definitely recommend you stick to the lightening body lotion you were using to achieve your lighter skin tone and gradually withdraw from it than instantly stopping it. If you're still looking for an effective lightening lotion that will brighten and glow your skin, I have a lot of videos on that, and I also recommend using the Q7 papaya body milk. This is a very nice lightening body lotion that is going to lighten up your skin and help you maintain your already lightened skin tone. Like all you need to do is to use this 2 or 3 times a week and use your Nivea vitamin C body lotion in your skincare routine. So in the morning, you can make use of your Nivea body lotion, and at night, you can use this Q7 papaya extract lotion to maintain your already lightened skin tone. That is simply the trick to maintaining that lightened complexion and avoid your skin from getting darker and getting more lighter and thinned out. So this is actually the simple trick that nobody will ever want to tell you. Like I would tell most of my clients, get a moisturizing body lotion and add in your routine when you are getting your lightening body lotion. You will still need it. Like if not immediately, you're still going to need that moisturizing lotion. So this is actually the best maintenance set that you need if you want to maintain your already lightened skin tone. Now, I've also taken my time to draft out a step-by-step daily skincare routine that is also going to help you maintain your lightened skin tone. So feel free to take a screenshot right now so that you won't get confused on how to use this product once you get them or add them in your skincare routine. Now, like I always say, the key to maintaining that your already lightened skin tone and continue keeping it bright and radiant is to be consistent with your skincare routine. See, if a product is good on your skin, just maintain that product. There's no need changing. Like, there's no better thing out there. Most times when you change, you're going to notice that your skin might actually get worse on the way. So stick to what you know, stick to what works for you already, be consistent with it, and you're going to see people admiring your skin tone. So if you got up to this point, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Liking this video is going to mean so much to me. So please do me a favor and like this video. It goes a long way. And don't forget to also subscribe if you haven't to join the fam, and catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.